Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Chop 2 cups of mixed vegetables such as 1 potato, 1 cup cauliflower florets, and ½ cup peas. This makes a balanced curry base. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan, then add 1 tsp cumin seeds until they sputter. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and sauté for 30 seconds. Stir in 1/2 tsp turmeric, 1 tsp garam masala, and salt to taste. Add 2 medium tomatoes or 200 g chopped tomatoes and cook until softened. About 5 minutes. Add the prepared vegetables to the spiced tomato base, stirring well so each piece is coated in the masala. Pour in 1 cup water and bring the pot to a gentle simmer. Reduce heat to low, cover, and cook for 12 to 15 minutes until a fork pierces potatoes and cauliflower easily. Uncover and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to reduce excess liquid and concentrate flavors. Taste and adjust salt, 1/4 tsp at a time, and add 1/2 tsp garam masala if you prefer more aroma. To finish, stir in 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. For a richer curry, fold in 2 tablespoons yogurt or 50 ml coconut milk and heat through. Serve immediately with 2 rotis or 2 cups steamed rice and a side of plain yogurt or pickle if desired. Leftover curry stores well. Cool to room temperature, transfer to an airtight container, refrigerate up to 3 days, and reheat gently on low heat until steaming. Do not refreeze after reheating to preserve quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.